thing that we are gonna discuss is the first topic that we are gonna discuss is how the software that we need to install. So if anyone do share the screen, that will be great because already everything is installed in my system. So
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
installing
sure.
few
I'm
things.
sharing.
Yeah.
Yes, here it is. Share. Okay, here it is. You should see my screen now. I'm sharing it
One
as you
second.
speak.
It's loading.
Yeah, I give you control. You can proceed.
Mm,
Yeah, approve. Yeah, I approve it. I confirm.
mm.
Approve. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah,
So first we will see how do we install JDK. So for the session, we'll be using JDK 25. JDK 25 download. Click on Java downloads. Go to the Oracle site. Go to the official Oracle site. Scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit. You will see the option called as Windows tab. Based on your operating system, you need to switch either Windows, either Mac, or either Linux. So since this current system is using Windows, I'm going for the Windows. Go for a 64-bit installer. You see here like this 64-bit installer. Go for the 64-bit installer. Okay. So once this is downloaded successfully, just click on it. You will be getting a browser pop-up. So Ravi, if you will be getting one browser pop-up,
yeah.
you
I
just need
clicked
to
on
click on
S.
yes.
Yeah, I clicked
Yeah.
on S.
Yeah. So it will take, once you click on S, there will be another pop-up coming up. Okay. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes for the JDK to be installed. Yeah. Click on next. Next. So it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes for the JDK to be installed, guys. So don't do the installation right in front of, right in the class so that you might be confused. Just observe the process. Click on close.
Now
Then if
close.
you,
Okay.
yeah, I'll click on close.
Yeah.
Open the command prompt, Ravi.
Yes.
Type Java space double hyphen version. Press enter. So if your JDK is installed successfully, it will be showing you like this Java 25.0.1 2025.10.21. So it will be showing you like this. Clear? Then we will set up the environment variables later. First, let us install everything. Git download. If you are working on Mac or Linux, Git is by default installed. This is for Windows exclusively. So if you go to Windows, Git for Windows /64 setup. Once this is downloaded, there will be a pop-up coming up. Just click on yes. I
Yeah.
cannot click that via Zoom.
Yes, yes. I did. Clicked S. Yeah.
So you'll click on yes. Click on next. Next. So blindly click on next, 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 next without you changing anything. Clear? Next. Continuously next, next, next.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just continuously keep on clicking next, next, next. It's installing.
Yes. Yeah, it's installed. Oh, it's still installing.
Yeah, it will take certain time.
Yeah, it is installed now.
Mm. It's installed. Okay, just close it. That's okay. You can close this.
Yeah.
So if your Git is successfully installed, just type git double hyphen version. Okay, you need to execute in another command prompt.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Right. Yep.
Then the next step is IntelliJ download. So for the course, we'll be using IntelliJ. We are not using Eclipse here, guys. If you want, you can use Eclipse, but the latest versions of Java are supported well in IntelliJ. That is the reason. So accept the cookie settings. So if you go for IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, you have to pay for the IntelliJ tool. If you want to get the free version of it, download IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So you click on download. So it will take some time to download.
Yeah.
Is it done?
Yes, it is installing. I just double clicked on the install version. I clicked
Mm.
on S on the pop-up.
Yes, yes. Just click on next.
Yeah.
Click on next. Wait. Create a desktop shortcut. Wait,
Create
I'll
a
do
desktop
it.
option. Yeah, yeah.
Can you select this checkbox? Create desktop shortcut. No.
Create desktop shortcut. Yeah, yeah, sure, got it. Okay.
Yeah. So create
Mhm.
associations. Can you
Create
select this?
association.
Yeah. In this select .java and I click on next.
Okay.
Install. It will take some time to install because it has to install all the plugins also. Okay.
Yeah.
So everyone is clear with the installations, like apart from Ravi, everyone is clear with what needs to be done.
Yeah, hi this Archana. Today is my first class. So I already I had JDK, but the version is 17, and I already have
Upgrade
Git
to
and the
21.
version is
Minimum is 21.
21. Okay, yeah, that's my okay, I will update. Thanks.
Yes. Minimum is
Rao,
So
21.
run.
can you share on the meeting chat so I can start on my end? I just joined, was away.
What should I share?
How do I install this? What do I look
Okay,
for?
the recording will be shared. You can just go through the recording.
Okay, sure.
Hmm. So IntelliJ is installed. So now next step is let's set up the environment variables of Java. Go to C, program files, program
Right
file,
below the yeah.
JDK 25, bin, copy this, open environment variables, click on environment variables, go to system variables. Can you click
Okay.
on path here? Like there's a path in the system variables.
Path.
Path.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Path.
Not in the
Okay.
user variables, system variables.
System variables. Okay.
There's a path. Search for the word path. No,
Maybe I should create a new one.
no. It is part of the. You have to scroll up and check.
Yeah. 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 I see it. I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, open that. So click on new. Paste that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is how we need to set up the Java bin path in the environment variables. You might not require it while we are doing right now, but when we do for any CI/CD or any Jenkins path, that time we need this bin path. That is why we're setting up the things prior. So these are the three main tools that we need to install for now. Is this clear, everyone? What are the three tools that we need to install? Ravi, I'll stop sharing. Everything is done from your end.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Clear? Ankur, Ankush,
Yes.
Sumit, all. I hope you can start installing by yourself.
So Git also 2.51 version is okay, right? Is
It's
already
okay. It's
there
okay.
in my system. Yeah, okay.
Okay. And majorly it should be about 2.45 because the new Git commands which we discuss in the class will not work if you are using below 2.4.
Oh, okay.
So let me start creating a new project. So is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So how do we create a new project? Ravi, once again you have to share the screen because the
Sure.
new
Sure.
project
I will.
creation is different from my and yours because I already created
Definitely.
mine.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here it is.
IntelliJ is open.
Yeah. It is. Yeah. JetBrains. I confirm.
Yeah, confirm.
Continue.
Click on continue. Don't send.
Yeah.
Click on new project.
Projects. Okay. New project.
New project. Give a good project name, whatever you feel like. Demo. Yeah. So IntelliJ, keep it IntelliJ. We will discuss only a basic Java project for now.
Yeah. So IntelliJ.
Click on create.
Create.
So it will take some time to create a Java project. So this is how we need to create a Java project when you're doing it for the first time in IntelliJ. Because in my UI I already have Java project. So the way we create a new project is something else. Thanks, Ravi.
Yeah. Sure.
So let me also create a new project. New project. I'll say, what do you call? Java fundamentals. 8 to 9. Okay, I'm using JDK 25 already in my system. IntelliJ. Don't select this checkbox for now because we are not discussing anything related to it. So don't select this checkbox. Select the proper location, give a proper name, and automatically your IntelliJ will detect which JDK is the latest. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with the project creation. Ankush, Jyoti, Komal, Lennon, right? So it will create some Java files. You just ignore it, guys. So what are the things that we need to remember now? Now, always remember that whatever Java files that we want to create, we have to create within the SRC folder itself. We should not create outside of SRC. Clear? Always all the Java files shall be created within the SRC folder. So before this, let us understand some nomenclature. What is this nomenclature that we need to understand, Rahul? What is a package? Package is like a folder where we organize the files. Like how we organize the files inside a folder, the same thing for a package. It's like a folder where we organize the files. Clear? Where we organize the files. Now, whenever we create a file, whenever we create a Java file, the best practice is that it shall be inside a package. Don't create a Java file without any package name. Create a Java file inside a package. Clear? So what is the nomenclature? What is the naming convention that we follow while creating the package name? We follow camel case convention for package names. For example, I'll say automation testing. So the camel case will be automation testing. That means what? First letter of the first word will be small letter and the first letter of the subsequent words will be capital letter. I hope everyone is clear what you mean by a camel case. So if you see here, if I use the word automation testing, so the first letter, that is the first word, the first letter of the first word, that is A, is small letter. And when I say testing, it is capital letter. Is this clear, everyone? The naming convention should be standard, guys. You should not deviate from the naming convention. This is something about the package. Then how do we, so what is a class? What is a Java file like? Class file or the Java file? This is where we write our Java program. What is the naming convention that we follow while creating the Java file? We follow Pascal case convention for Java file. So for example, I'll say learning testing. So the camel case will be like learning testing. So that means what? The first letter of each word shall be capital letter. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
So you might ask me, like, Rahul, is this naming
So
convention mandatory?
package name is starting with small as well as class name starts from capital letter.
Yes. So you can see the examples for your understanding.
Got
So
it.
some people might ask me, Rahul, do we need to follow the standards? Is it really worth it? If you don't follow standards also, that is not a problem. But if you follow standards, then we will be considered as, okay, you're an organized coder who follows some global standards, who follows some regular coding practices that we actually imbibe on. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I have to do now? Now how do we do it? First step is creating a package. So how do we create a package? Right click on SRC, new, you see this package, click on the package. I will say December 3rd, 2025. So I'm creating a package name based on the today's date so that it will be easy for me to understand what topics I have covered. Similarly, whatever topics you feel like doing it, whatever package name you feel like giving it, you can give it as per your choice. And one more thing, remember, this is super important. Package name on the class name shall not start with a number. It shall never start with a number. It should start with the alphabet only. Now, inside the
But
package of,
here, camel case is not there. So only the lowercase, right? Package name.
yeah, package name lowercase. So the only word that I have here is December, right? Rest all is
Mm.
something else.
So we can
Right?
write only the smaller case, lowercase or else camel case, right?
Camel case only we have to follow. No need of lowercase. Like, see, what is the only word that I have, Divya? December.
So
Rest all are
yes,
different, right?
right. But I'm talking about the wording wise. Like now I see only the lowercase, right? So
Mm-hmm.
so
Yes.
there is.
Everything, every time it is lowercase only. Only the thing is the first letter of the first word shall be small letter, and the first letter of the second word should be capital letter. Rest of the thing shall be in small letter and no spaces between the package name and class name.
Okay.
No white spaces between package name and no white spaces shall be present between the package name and the class name. Instead, use underscore symbol. Clear?
Okay. So another question, sorry, I'm not aware of the automation side
Mm.
as well as the
No worries, go
Selenium.
ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, so you said like Java file should be in the source folder, like
Yes,
that's what
SRC folder.
so, SRC. So why not out of SRC? Okay.
Then only we can see if I create outside like this, what will happen? Do you even see the option of creating a Java file here?
Okay.
So
I don't
always
see here.
remember, so if
Mm.
you see, understand, the Java programs run from a SRC folder itself. They don't run outside of SRC when you're creating a Java project.
Okay, it's a standard thing.
It's a standard thing.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
So if you come here, right click on December 3rd. Okay, new Java class. Okay, I will say sample program. So you see, you have to select the class option as class, and it will create a Java file for you. Is this clear, everyone? What is the package? What is the package? What is the class? How do we create it? What are the rules or standards that we need to follow? Everyone?
Yes.
Hmm. Right? Clear? So, what we need to do here, whatever program that you want to execute, it should be inside a main method. So I'll say public static void main string args. So whatever program that we need to execute shall be present inside the main method, because the Java recognizes the keyword main and it understands that it is the starting point for executing the program. As of now, the Java team has continued with the word main. But tomorrow, if they change the word to mains, or tomorrow, if they change the word to execute, then we have to write public static void execute or public static void mains. So that is dependent on Java. So what does the Java team told that, hey, Java, when I find the word public static void main, then only I will execute the program. Even if you change something like this, something like, we will discuss this later, something like this, if you're trying to tamper the syntax, it will not execute this program. The moment I write public static void main only, it will execute the program. So the main keyword is important. Suppose instead of mains, I'll use the word mains, so I cannot execute this program. The keyword main is the most important thing. That is where Java recognizes that, hey, this is the method I need to execute. Clear? Clear, everyone, why we say it's a public static void main? Now, the first thing is what any programming language will start with the sentence hello world. So what we'll do, I'll say system.out.println hello world. So what does it do? It prints the data onto the console. Clear? Is this clear, everyone? All good?
Yes.
So how do we execute it? You can see the play button here. You click on the play button and you can execute your program. Now you see the output here, hello world. Clear? Any doubts?
So there are two buttons, play option, right? At the line of third and the seventh. So we
Anything is
can
fine.
do.
Anything is
Okay.
fine.
Or is there any difference? Like
Right now there is no difference, but when we go further, like into test engine and all those things, you will see the difference.
okay.
As of now, there's no difference. You can execute from here or there also. That doesn't matter.
Okay. So the play button will be enabled only the package has a class respect
No,
with the
no.
main.
The play
Um,
button will be enabled when you have properly written public static void main string args like this.
okay.
So if I change this word to something, you see the play button is gone.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, I am clear.
Yes.
Good to go? Good to go, everyone? So what next?
A small doubt. On the
Hmm.
output side, process finished with the exit code 0. What it means?
That you don't worry. That is something else. For your information, we call this exit code 0 means execution completed successfully. So if you are curious to understand, I will give you one sentence. If you still don't understand, I will cover later part. So whenever we execute this program from JDK, it will be executed in JVM. JVM is the place where the whole program is executed. Once the execution is completed, it has to terminate the JVM successfully. So we say exit code 0. That means the inside the JVM, the program execution is completed. Now the work with JVM is done. So you can stop the execution successfully. That is where we say exit code 0. Got it?
Okay, yeah.
So you understood something out of it. If you don't understand, that's absolutely fine.
No,
Okay.
no, I understand. Yeah. Back-end process, kind of.
It's a back-end process from JVM side. Because if you
Yeah.
don't stop, see, so there must be some indicator stating like, hey, JVM, you need to stop. I'm done with the execution. You need to stop. Some indicator should be there, right?
Thank you.
Today is my first day of learning Java. Can anyone tell me the output of this program? How it will be?
Two outputs, hello world, and today is my first day of learning Java.
So how it will print?
Two, it will print hello
Hmm.
world.
How it will print? It will print
In
one after
one
another or
line.
one
Yes,
beside
one
another?
after another, 2 lines.
Okay, one after another. Perfect.
No, same line.
It's a one-line statement. Both
It's
are
a
in
new
one
line.
line.
It's a new line.
Where is the new line a character is
Yeah.
there?
So I have given a half statement here. Prints the data onto the console and moves the cursor to the next line. Got it? Now what I'm saying, I will print the message hello world, and the cursor, whatever that is present at the end, it is moving to the next line. So in the next line, what it will print? It will print today is my first day of learning Java. Clear?
Where
Is
is
it?
the new line character
It is
here?
part of println statement.
Oh, okay.
So I'm
Uh,
telling you the behavior of println. So it first prints hello world, then moves the cursor to the next line, then it will print the statement, then it will move the cursor to the next line like this.
Okay.
okay, here I have one question that instead of writing that system.out.println, can we use IO dot something, IO dot
We will
println?
do it. See, we will do it, Sandhya. Don't worry. That is JDK 25. I will tell you.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. I'm thinking we can write or not. I don't know
We
that.
can write. Hold on. Hold on. This is our first session of Java. Let me go very slow. I'll tell you JDK 25 features also. Don't worry. Just hold on. System.out.println 500 minus 300 plus 200. Can anyone tell me the output of this?
$400?
0,
400?
Zero,
Sorry, what's the answer?
zero,
0,
0,
400.
0, 400, 400, 0. So let us execute this code. It will be 400. It will not be 0. So for people who are wondering what is happening, right? So I will say in Java, for any arithmetic operations, arithmetic/mathematical operations, we follow Bodmer's rule. Clear? We follow the Bodmer's rule. Now, what is this Bodmer's rule? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we must have learned this when we were kids, like 5th class or 6th standard kids. We used to learn this, right? So what do you mean by bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction? So first, what we are doing, do we have any division, multiplication bracket of nothing? So first, what we need to do, addition. What is the addition that we have? That is 500, minus 300 plus 200. What is the value here? Here we have, let me showcase you this. I'll say 500 minus 100. Then I'll say the value as 400. Clear?
Yes, yes.
So I am tired of writing system.out.println like this. I don't want to type manually system.out.println. What is the shortcut way? Shortcut way for writing system.out.println. I'm so sick of writing it. So what will I do? In IntelliJ, the shortcut is type s out followed by the enter key. Clear? In Eclipse, type sys out followed by control plus space. In VS Code, which we rarely use, but still, if you want to know, we do it like this. Clear? Any doubt so far? Any doubts, guys? All good?
So Rahul, mostly these days we are using IntelliJ only, right? Or Eclipse
IntelliJ
as well?
only. Like if you go for any company, IntelliJ only, we use it majorly because from JDK 17 onwards, they are the prime sponsors. They are also like the co-sponsors for this JDK 21, 22, 23 and all the stuff. So if you want to really play around with the preview features of Java, IntelliJ is the best one. Okay.
Got it.
And it also comes up with a lot of bundle plugins now. That's the reason. Is this clear, everyone? All good? Is this clear, guys? All good?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'll say sys out 400 minus 200 into 100 by 2. So can anyone tell me the output of this program?
Minus 600.
Minus 9,600. How it is minus 9,600? First,
Because
as per the Bodmer's rule, we have to do division. So 400 minus 200 into 50. Then we do multiplication. 400 minus 10,000 minus 9,600. Clear?
ଭଲଟା ଆଣିବା ଯେ ଯୋଉଟା ଭଲ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଆଣିବା ଯୋଉଟା ପାଣି ଗରମ ରହିବ ତମର।
So is this clear, everybody? Any doubts?
so the operations what do you call the right from right onwards it will follow.
Not right. This rule you have to follow. Bodmer's rule. It is not only about right to left or left to right.
Okay.
This rule is applicable for all arithmetic operations.
Okay.
Now, can anyone tell me the output of this program?
$700.
Perfect. 700 is the answer. Clear? Is this clear, guys? All good?
Yes.
Perfect. So this is the first day of programming. That is, I'm asking continuously whether you are clear or not, because majority of you are new to programming, and I want everyone to be clear with this. Arithmetic operation performed is what? So what is the output?
300.
300.
300.
Arithmetic operation
Means
performance
arithmetic operation
is
performed is 300.
no error.
It's correct only 300. Arithmetic operation
Double
performed is.
quotes ended. Okay, here, comment. Yeah, okay, it got
So
it.
this is called as concatenation operator, concatenation operation, or joining operation. So one thing we need to remember in any programming language is this plus symbol has two behaviors. One is performing the arithmetic operation. Second is joining the data. Clear, Sridivya?
Yes.
So what is happening here? How do you decide which one performs first? You need to read the statement from left to right. So if you see here in this case, plus symbol means it is joining the data. Whatever arithmetic operations I wanted to perform, I put it into the parenthesis. Clear? I hope this part is clear, everyone.
Yeah.
So here only most of the newbies will be confused when to use plus symbol behavior when it is what it is. So always remember this in your mind that plus symbol has two behaviors: performing the arithmetic operations, joining the data. Clear?
So what will happen? So the arithmetic operations followed by the statement.
See, anything is left to right. Whatever comes first, it acts accordingly.
Okay.
Okay. Always for the print statements, you need to read left to right.
Okay.
Like I'll say 400 plus 300 minus 200 plus new data. Now, can anyone tell me the output of this?
500 new data.
Yes. It is 500 new data. Perfect.
So what will happen if plus is not there?
Plus is mandatory. If you want to join
Okay.
a data with a sentence, you need a plus symbol, which is mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? All good? Good to go, guys?
Yes.
If we want to join toString,
Two strings, two strings you can join as it is. There is no need of a plus symbol, right? Like, okay, you want to say like my name is like this, Avinash, like this.
okay.
So the plus symbol behavior changes at the runtime. At the runtime, it will make a decision of what to do with the plus symbol. Runtime means during the time of execution of Java program, it will take a decision. When do I execute? When do we do it? Clear?
Okay.
Clear, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So anyone has any doubts, guys? I just have a small call, small office call that is urgently popping up. That is why I'm taking a early delay of 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Like next 5 minutes, I want to clarify if you have any doubts. Any doubts, anybody so far? None?
Till now, I'm
Mhm. Can you all finish the setup of the tools today and just create a Java project? Is everyone fine with that?
Yes, sure.
Yeah,
If you have using JDK, see, if you are using older versions of JDK, it doesn't matter to us in the course. The minimum JDK we expect is JDK 21 and maximum is JDK 25. Got it? JDK 21 or 25 shall be present in your system. Please finish the installations part and let me know for any doubts. Okay? Because if you don't install, and I have to give you adequate time for practice. So tomorrow onwards, we will go big time about print statements, variables, and Friday we will go with strings. Okay? Okay, so quickly finish your installations and be ready by tomorrow's class. By tomorrow, everyone should create your Java projects. Clear?
Sure, Rahul.
Any doubts? I am still available for next 3-4 minutes, or else you can drop the call.
Can you send this record section?
Which section?
This recording.
Team will take care, don't worry.
Oh,
Okay, guys, then we'll catch up tomorrow at the same time. And I want everyone to be ready by tomorrow. Right?
okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.